Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me the new Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and the first thing that I want to tell you is the S6 Lite software has been updated. The new software is One UI 3.1. So guys, please update your software. So the first thing that the One UI 3.1 is really cool about is the Samsung Dex feature. So now I have Samsung Dex feature in this S6 Lite tablet. So I will enable it and I will show you its features. So you just have to scroll down the notification panel, and then you see over here the Dex option is available because the software has been updated. So I click on it, and then it will take just few seconds to take it to Samsung Dex version. So guys, Samsung Dex is the Samsung desktop version. You can see over here it has same Windows like interface, guys. You can see over here. So you will feel that you are working on your laptop or on your computer. So it has same interface, which is really cool. The first thing is about notifications. If you want to see the notifications, they are over here. You can see over here. So once I click it, you see all the notifications are over here. All the settings option are over here. The second thing is about if you want to take a screenshot, simply there is a screenshot option as well over here in the bar. Okay, so just you click it and then it will take the screenshot for you, and then you can also, if you want to edit it, you can edit. So you can see over here, if you want to crop it, you can crop, you can write on over here. So you can also take the screenshot. Okay guys, so if you want to change the volume is over here. Okay guys, and over here you can see all the icons over here. Okay, so these are not all the apps. You can also add more apps over here. You can also manipulate them. Okay, you can change their size. You can see over here I use my S Pen and I can change them. They change their location as well. Okay, and the cool feature about this Samsung Dex version is if you want to access all the apps, simply you see there are dots over here. Okay, so just click them, these dots, and then you will see all the apps in front of you, and then there is the second page. Okay, so you can use this second and the first page option. If you have more apps, it will go into the other pages. So this is really a really cool feature. So for example, I open multiple apps and I will show you how does it work. So for example, I select this internet option. Okay, so you can see over here it is open like this, and then if you want to search anything, you can also search. You can also make it bigger. Okay, by clicking over here you can make them big. Okay, and then if you want to change the size of the window, you can also change it, guys. It's really cool feature. So for example, I want to change the size. Okay, so I just cut it. Okay, and now if I want to change the size, simply you can see over here. Okay, so I can make it bigger as well. Okay, and then for example, I open the Google. Okay, and then if I want to change its position, I can also change it. So for example, I put it over here. Okay, and then I open one more app. Okay, so let's say I open the Samsung Notes. Okay, so you can see over here Samsung Notes are over here. I can change the location and I can also change the size. Okay, and then if I want, and then the most important thing is I can work on both of these apps. So you can see over here I can work on my app and I can also work on the internet, and there is no problem. So I will open one more app. Let's say I open the calendar. So you can see the calendar is over here. So this is really cool feature which in normal tablet mode you cannot do it like this. So for example, I make it little smaller. Okay, I put it over here. I can extend it from here as well. So you can see over here I can also access it. Okay, then I open let's say Galaxy Store. So the Galaxy Store is over here. I can make it also small, and then you can see over here. So I can also access the Galaxy Store. I can also access the calendar. My notes are over here. Google Internet is here. So for example, I open the calculator as well, and if I want to make any calculation, I can also do that. And then you can see over here I can also make it small. So you can see over here I open 5 different apps, okay, and all of them are working. I can also do the calculation, guys. You can see over here, so I can also do the calculations, and I can also use my calendar, okay. And then Galaxy Store is over here, my notes are over here. For example, I want to make a new note, okay, I can also do it. You can see over here, okay. And then if I want to search anything on my internet, I can also search it. For example, I search heart anatomy, I can also search it, okay. So I will show you. So you can see over here all the apps are working fully functional, all in multitasking mode, and it's a really cool feature, guys, that you can use in Samsung Dex version. Okay, guys. So the other thing that I want to show you, if for example you want to close all this app altogether, simply just go over here. You can see this recents option, okay, just click on it, and then you see on the top right corner it says close all, okay. So I click on it, and then you can see it close all of the apps that I open. So guys, this is really a cool feature that Samsung Dex is given. So you can see all the interface is same like your desktop. You can also connect it to your desktop computer or laptop as well, and it has this option as well. So guys, this is really cool feature that I want to show you as Samsung S6 Lite has been updated. So I hope you like the video, I hope you enjoy the video. Please do subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you very much.